सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। 12th verse. नैव वाचा न मनसा प्राप्तुं शक्यो न चक्षुषा अस्तीति ब्रुवतोऽन्यत्र कथं तद् उपलभ्यते। अस्तीत्येवोपलब्धव्यः तत्त्वभावेन चोभयोः। अस्तीत्येवोपलब्धस्य तत्त्वभावः प्रसीदति। यदा सर्वे प्रमुच्यन्ते कामा येऽस्य हृदि श्रिताः अथ मर्त्यमृतो भवति। अत्र ब्रह्म समश्नुते। यदा सर्वे प्रमुच्यन्ते कामा येऽस्य हृदि श्रिताः अथ मर्त्युमृतो भवति। अत्र ब्रह्म समश्नुते। अत्र ब्रह्म समश्नुते. We had seen that last two verses. Wherefore the faith on the Brahman, even if the Brahman is not understood, there is a possibility and that some may not understand what is Brahman. Why? Because it is not known by the it is non-conventional pramana. It is not known by the means of knowledge which we use for some other proof. Normally, the means of knowledge which we use, we are habituated to using that only. Because of our habit of using, we use the same means to know about the Brahman also. But because Brahman is not an objective thing, and because it is a subject, therefore all the praman or means of knowledge collapse there. Then the Shastra praman is the main praman there, and through that we know, yesterday you saw that there is something called existence. Okay, you heard yesterday detailed last two verses. Therefore Brahman exists. And it should be known as existence. That two mantras were on Asti, Uplabdhavya. I had seen in detail. Before that, the mantra, if you remember, that was on meditation. 12 and 13 was the Brahman aspect. But before that, 11th and 10th was on meditation. The ninth mantra was on the kind of mind which is required. And sixth, seventh, and eighth mantra were about the consciousness and anatma, not self. Then fifth, fourth, these two mantras, human body was there. Then third, second, and there was the upadan and nimitta karan. Some mantra is missing or what? All are covered. So first, second, third. These three mantras were upadan, karan and nimitta karan. Then fourth, fifth was at the human birth. Then sixth, seventh, eighth was on anatma. Then ninth mantra was a kind of mind required. Then 10th, 11th was the meditation. Then 12, 13 was the faith. Asti is there, Brahman is exist. So don't ask me to summarize because every class I am summarizing. Okay. Only yes. Now last mantra, last portion rather, is Phal Shruti. Phal Shruti means what is the fruit of Brahma Vidya? How do I know that I have also the knowledge of Brahman now? My knowledge of Brahman is now firm. Sometimes after reading Vedant, this will come. One person went to Swami Akhandanji and he said, Swamiji, I think I have known the self completely. Swamiji said, while doing sadhana, such illusions come. बोले भाई साधना के मार्ग में ऐसा भ्रम हो जाता है. Sometimes, well, why you are saying Brahm? Now this is the proof. 14th mantra, you refer it when you have this doubt or illusion. So scriptures are very clear about that. They say categorically something very clearly, without mincing the words. What they are saying? Yada sarve pramuchyante. Sarve will go with kama. When all the desires of the heart, all the desires of the person is, what happens to the desire? Pramucyanti is free from all desires. Why? What problem you have with desire? All the time you are with desire only. What my desire has done wrong to you that you are after my desire? Read Mahabharata, they are after desire. Read Gita, they are after desire. Upanishad, they are after desire. Little desire I have, 2-3 desires I have heard. Not more desires. And you are after those desires only. I am not after is your desire, but you are after my desire. Okay, what is your desire? Nothing. I have only 2-3 desires. One desire has to have good wife, family, etc. Nothing else. Second desire. Second desire I have just to have a luxurious life or good life. I want to have good money also, because I need money to have good house, good. If I have to travel somewhere, where will I travel without money? And I want to go in business class, first class. Right now I don't go, just go via that. So I just see that and I touch like this and go ahead and take out some newspaper and go away. So that's the only thing I do. Slowly some magazine I pick up, and because I can't stand there, but I want to experience that also. I need not of money. And third desire which I have is to have popularity. I should be well known among the people. Now I'm having a bad name, but I want to have a lot of people should know that. Scriptures has said these three desires, that is nothing but your whole world you have covered. One is called Putreshna, other is called Vitteshna, third is called Lokeshna. You have scanned all desires now. There is nothing else remaining. Don't ask anything else. Everything is covered. But what is the problem with the desire? What problem you have with my desire? Problem is that desire is the source of all sorrows. How come? Because from that, I'll tell you what are the problems of desire. Firstly, we are talking of body oriented, selfish, egocentric, body oriented, sensual oriented, or sense organ oriented, sense gratification oriented, egocentric, or maybe family centric at the most, self self crystallizing desire, small self crystallizing desire. Problem with that are numerous. Number one problem. What is the problem? Number one problem, that you have lot of desires, but which desire will be satisfied is not in your hand. You have desires. You have desire of a child. There is nothing called one desire. One desire has in its back infinite desire. There is nothing called one desire. The desire always comes in a very big packaging. Well, why? I'm only wanting a child. No, wait, let me explain. And then you think what you want. Okay, what you want. If you want a child, that means you want money also for his sustenance. That means you want a good school also for his education. That means you want later on that he should be good in metric, although he did not get a single A, but for him you want all A's. Okay. That means you want a good job for him. That means you want a good wife for him. That means you want a good health for him. That means you want, well, I have second child because I need somebody to play with my first child. This is the logic they give. They give this logic. One child is lonely. One child is lonely. So I want somebody to play with that first child. Now two are there. I want, supposing two daughters are, I want a son now. Because who will do Pinddan? Who will do Shraddha, etc. Daughter will go to their houses. So I want one son also to do my Pindan. Not now, after I pass. He is ready to do now. I said don't do now. So he does every work in advance. So he is very fast. But I told no, it is after you pass it, then you do it. So I want one son also. You know what you are wanting? What you are wanting, you know. When you do not child, you want child, child's clothes, child's food, child's shelter, child's money invested on the child. Then you will work in some office for that child. Then you want his good education. You want hospital plan. You want medical plan for that child. You want the good education. You want the what is it called? Good books, good coaching. You want to fetch him, to drop him. You want a good job. You want a good daughter, daughter-in-law. You want a good in-laws of that child. Something problem is with the in-laws also. Problem is between in-laws. This is another matching is there. Adjective matching. Boy and girl don't have problem. Problem is with in-laws. Another problem will start. Okay. After that, there are a series of things which you want. I can tell you 100%. This big thing which you have, a series goes on. It's not over. You want the child also after some time. बोले हमारे बच्चे के बच्चे नहीं हो रहे. My son is not getting a son now. Now you want the son of the son. Now that son of the son, the same thing with him now. Okay, now the son of the son should be healthy now. He is born, but he is very weak. He is having flu. Please pray for him. For everything that to come to me, pray for him. Pray for him. As if I have no other work, pray for him only. Please pray for my child. Please pray for my grandson. Why don't you pray? Why should I waste my prayer on your foolish matters? Now the grandfather is going to drop the grandson. Now the grandfather is now concerned, he is playing with the grandson. He is more interested in grandson than the son because son knows the reality of the father. But the grandson does not know. Therefore he is playing with that. Now you tell me one desire about the child. You know in its bag how much is it? I'm talking of one thing. Don't think anything else is there. Similarly about marriage also I can talk about. Similarly about money also can I talk about. And there is no end. You die ultimately. And the desire is not over. By fulfilling the desire is not. You have a shape of a child or son, daughter. You are reborn as that. Another you are going to be reborn. ये तो एक इशू पे बात किया है. This is one desire. Similarly, you have a desire for a dog, supposing. क्यों छोड़े अब dog वालों को? Why should I leave the people? I have dog now. This comes with a big package also. That means your desire for the protection of the dog food also. You take dog out, and the dog will mess up the house also sometimes. Cat is a cleaner animal than dog. Cat knows how to do everything, but dog doesn't know. Cat will never mess up. Hardly cat messes up, but dog messes up also, right? No. Or training has to be given to the dog. Training is there. I don't know. I have never lived with dogs. So you have to take the dog out with the leash is there. They have to take the dog out for morning, evening walk. Then you have, if dog has fever, then you have to go to this clinic, etc. Vet. Okay. Then the dog has another problem. He is not eating food. Unless I come, dog doesn't eat food. So there is another thinking, big area of desire is there. Now my dog is getting old. 12-year dog is an old dog. I'm in teens, but he is in old age. I'm also 12, he's also 12. I'm 13. But I am getting younger. He is getting old. Okay, now by mistake I left my dog. It ran out. It fought with that neighbor's dog. You don't think it's a simple matter? As far as I know, my common sense says it is not a simple matter to have one dog also. The dog ran out. Now the dog ran out and it came bleeding back. Neighbor dog had bitten that dog. Neighbor dog was Alsatian, mine was Pomerian, and it has bitten now. Now again I have to rush now. Now I have to fight with that person. Why your dog is outside? He said my dog was in his place. You left your dog. Then somebody came that my Pomerian dog bit that person. Now he is now trying to file a suit against me. That why don't you put your dog properly? Now I am going to the lawyer now. Today there is a petition he has filed against me. He said I was going and he, my pant he held and I fell down. I fell down recently. I had gone for a knee transplant. And the bowl which was put in the knee, the katori, that bowl, it has slightly damaged there. I'm claiming the money for you, from you. You don't know, there's stories are there about that. I'm not joking. 1 million they have claimed for that dog who bites outside. It is not simple matter. Here no desire is a simple desire. It makes your life heavily complicated. Heavily complicated, not complicated, heavily complicated. Now dog has died. अब बताओ, अब रोना हो रहा है. I'm feeling why my dog has passed away now. That all, how much they said? They have lived with the dog for few years. Then there's a quiet. People don't eat food on that day. On that day, food is not made in the house. Well, you know, I'm thinking of doing tirahi for my dog. See, this samskar is only for human being. Shodash samskar is only for when he did not have Yajñopaveet, he did not have marriage, he did not have mundan. he did, he did not have Vanapras. None of the samskar you did. You are doing the last one only, straight away. Straight away you are doing last samskar. No, I loved. Loved that you could have done all also. It's not that. No desire, my point is, I hope you understand my point. No desire is only one desire. This world, Maya ne kaha acha. Only one desire. There is nothing called only one desire. In that one desire, there is infinite, endless, trouble giving, attention seeking, problem giving desires. I hope you are. Even if I have one desire of this mic, it will bring whole world to me. Supposing I should keep mic in my room, bus, all problems start. Therefore, I never drove. When I was in Indore, they say we will get a car for it. I said, no, don't get car. I don't want car. I have any driving license, neither I have car. Well, we'll put a car in your name. I said, no way. No way you don't put anything in my name. And there is nothing called desire will definitely bring, and one desire, it will give tension, what is it called, depression, it will give guilt, it will give competition, it will give anger, it will give frustration, it will give jealousies. Well, jealousy, my sari was good, but she is better. She always has a better sense than me. She always excels in her dressing sense. How much I try. She always, people praise her looks. To me, they don't praise. You don't have look, why will they praise? Why don't you accept this realities? Anything, if it is what I said, egocentric, body oriented, sense gratification oriented, self crystallized desires, unending, having multi branches. आसान नहीं है भैया. It's not that matter. And after satisfying, desire is not over. You again want it. And this is how we are reborn. Because my leftover desires were there. I wanted to see my grandson, but after that, what is it called? After the marriage of my son, I passed away. So that desire was remaining to see the grandson. I only passed away after 2 months after the marriage of my son. I only passed away. Now that desire was remaining to see my grandson. I was crying. You know how these this father and mother who have son, how they are crazy about grandson. You don't know. They're mad. You go and ask them. You can see them. Those who are there, they will. And if the son is not there, they keep on praying. Bhagwan Ganesh ji, give me grandson. बस यही prayer है. Therefore, all our भगवान से मारेंगे, I'll hit you. One is two meanings. One is Varad Haste. That if you are nice, then the other is I have Astra Shastra for yours. Same thing. Any problems. One house you make and you have the whole world. Electricity bill has to be there, then the bathroom is leaking, then tiling is not done, one tile fell on down. When tiler came and he did the wrong work, it was one tile has cracked, now you have to change the whole tiling of the bathroom. We are not getting the same tiles now. I am searching today, whole day yesterday went in searching, but tiles were not there. Now to match, guest is coming now, how to keep the cracked tile, I called the tiler, tiler said we have to change the whole tiles. Not today, I am going to select the whole tiles. Here one tiler came, this where you are there, Vinayak 2. When you walk, tiles used to sink inside. Tiles used to, wrongly he tiled. Then you take out all the tiles. It was pressing inside, cracking. That means the work was not done properly. The tiles started cracking and clashing with each other. There is nothing called simple desire. Simple desire, if you ask me, God oriented, for Guru, scripture oriented, very simple desire hai. Desire to jap is a very simple desire. I am pleasing God is a simple desire. Meditation desire, simple desire, which will take you to the truth, which will take you to the self, which will take you to the peace of mind. You don't have to depend on another person. Here one desire is there, you have to cuck at that person mood is not okay, I have to work with him today. I don't know where he ran away. I'm calling him, he's not taking the call. I'm called from another number, then he took the call by mistake, then I caught him. Understand, I hope you are understand. बोले कहां से इतनी डिजायर आ कहां से रही है? Where from the desires are coming? Desires are coming because you are not fulfilled. You have empty eye. Huh? Empty purse? No, not empty wallet. That is not empty eye. I will be happy if I get him. I will be more happy if I have child. I will be more happy if I have a bigger house. I will be more happy if I am married. If I am more happy if I am married to this boy or this girl, this particular, our life will become hell. I'm sorry, heaven. They say truth comes out first. Sorry, it was not intentional. So, if I can go to that particular place, now here I'm not happy. I want to go to another place. I'm changing the country only, not the house. करते रहो ये सब आप. Problem क्या है? Problem is this: I'm alone. I'm not happy. Bottom line is this: I feel very lonely at times. I need somebody to talk to me, somebody to give me credit. Somebody was there. One brahmachari, not here, somewhere else. Well, I feel very lonely. I said, why? I need somebody to hear my poem. I write poem, and somebody should be hearing my poem. Now you hear my poem. I said, okay. So I heard all the poem, half an hour. It's a tapasya to hear poem. You have to praise also. This has happened, that has happened. Please, thank you for hearing. Nobody hears. I miss somebody talking to me. I miss somebody hearing my poem. I feel so lonely at times. Whom to express? I said, you can mail to me. I will hear. I'll read it. Well, I mailed last time, did not reply. I said, no, I didn't get it. I reply. अब ये तो दिमाग में बात आती है. Emptiness has various ways of expression. Don't think it. You'll not feel I'm empty. This is not the style. If he was there, I would have been happy. I'm missing this person. I'm missing that gadget. This new iPhone has come. I have the old one. It has cracked also. How to tell to somebody, Daddy, that this has cracked? He will always scold me. I want a new iPhone. The emptiness, it will come through a very typical route. Expression उसका ही है वो. But old phone is working. Working. Not that it's not working, but some new mic is there in that. Very new speaker is very good. Because I need Swamiji's talk to hear. So, mind will bring some spiritual matters to cover up. It's try to divinize the desire now. So, I need some. I think camera is very extraordinary. It has that camera of the new phone. What a resolutions! What a resolution! I will take photos in the yagna. देखो ये ले आया यहाँ पे. Very nice is there. If I can, और बोल छोड़ देते हैं. If I have, this bookmark. If I can get very good, very nice bookmark, Swamiji's. I don't know who gave it. It doesn't bend also like. Something is written also. Shri Gurubhyo Namah. I will also have such kind of bookmark. Shri Gurubhyo Namah, I'll also write. I think I have to take him from him. But who will go and ask him? No, don't ask. Simple things. Emptiness expresses as like that. Nobody is talking to me. Nobody understands me. These thoughts will come. Nobody is the one whom I can share my heart. I don't get the credit for what I did. These are the hissing of the same snake. I don't get the credit of what I did. Those who do little, they get lot of credit. I am doing so much, but nobody is giving me credit. Acha? So much is there. I want particular kind of cap to cover my ears. But you have one cap. No, ears are not covered. No, but why you need to cover ear? There is no such wind is there. But I need a cap, understand, I get headache, understand my problem. But I'll tell to somebody. I can't tell to somebody I need a cap. Then I'll tell to Stanley or someone. Manna Bhai also I can tell. Somebody I'll give a hint. You won't believe emptiness has various ways. माया महा ठगनी में जानी. पता नहीं है ये जो हम बोल रहे हैं. It is not the problem of desire. It is a problem of pseudo emptiness in I. It is not really emptiness. You don't need anything. You don't need anybody. You don't need any person to you. You don't need anybody to give you lot of love. You don't need anybody to live with you, to be a partner. I want a room partner, life partner. Life partner. Very delusive word is there. Life partner. Who will be partner for my whole life? Is not possible because Nobody will be with you for the whole life. Rather, partner word, what I see, who will part away. I was feeling now, young boys, girls, they just look for somebody. If you go to universities, colleges, she is with that boy, he is with that girl. सब आपस में. They break with this, start with new. Break this, start new. Then sad comes, depression comes. Then again they'll start new. Then I'll marry this boy, marry that girl. मर जाते हैं ऐसे. All nothing expression as emptiness. Or I want to give a talk there. All expression of emptiness. All expression of desire only. And what shall I do? Please treat it at eye level, for which we heard Upanishad and we spent 6 weeks. That was in short. And this continues. Problem is in eye, you are solving it outside. then you won't want. No, you may want, but it is not pressing, urgent joy. You are not wanting for joy. You may want out of joy. Because you see that world is false. And you will see that I am full, not full, I am full. I don't want Pratibimbanand. Pratibimbanand reflected, the joy of reflection is included in joy of original self. Oh. Then you don't need anything. Like supposing you are here and you are enjoying. I'm giving you little inkling of that. And somebody says, during the class, or you are enjoying, supposing, come live in the house. Today we are having a dinner called aunties, we have called, Kaka is coming. You say, I can't miss the class. Why you are saying like that? Not because of my fear, because you yourself go into yourself. Because you yourself have met yourself. After the class I will come, but not during the class. I'll attend and then I'll go there. Why you are saying like that? You avoid as much as possible, we can make the classes. Why? What anand you have here? What joy you have here? Here you have substantial joy of the self.